Welcome to this Excel tutorial. In this video, we will learn about text functions in Excel. So here, I have got this first name, James, and second name, Miller. And here are a few functions like join strings, left, mid, right, len, find, and substitute. Now let's say this first function, join strings. Now, if I want to join this first name and second name, I will use this function, which is simply I can type this formula A3. A3 is the first name, and here we can use this ampersand because this is how we will join text in Excel. And now to put some space between two names, so we can use this double quoted and put some space and close this, and again use ampersand to join the space and the last name, which is the second name, and it is in cell B3. Now press enter. Now here we have got James Miller. So using this ampersand in the formula bar, we can get these two names together. Now let's see about the left function. While in left function, we can extract the few characters from a particular cell using this function. Now let's see, if I want JAM, only these three characters from James, so I can use this function equal to left, left, and I have to select the cell which is A3 because I want to perform this action in A3, comma, and the number of characters I want JAM, so it will be 1, 2, and 3. So I can put the value here, 3, close the bracket, and press enter. So here I have got jam. So in this way, if I want to extract from the Miller, I can use the same. Now let's see for the mid function. Now, while in mid function, we can extract a particular set of characters from a cell. Like say, from Miller, I want to extract ILL. And now we can see in this Miller, I stands in second number, M is first, I is L in the second. So we can use this function equal to MID mid, press tab, and I want to use this function on B3, which is Miller. So B3 and comma, and I want to start the extraction from the second character, which is I. So I have to use 2 here, and then I want ILL, which means I want 1, 2, and 3 characters. So I'll type 3 here. And now close the bracket and press enter. So I have got ill here. So according to this function, B3 is the cell and 2 is the position here from where we should start extraction, and then 3 is the number of characters we want. Now let's go for the right function. Right function is exactly same as left, but the only difference is it will extract from the right side. So we will type equal to and right function, and we want to choose this B3. We want to extract from the right side. I want LER. So for that, I can use the number 1, 2, 3. So I can specify here 3, starting from the right side. So it will extract LER. So that's how it works. Now let's see about how to calculate the length of a string. So this function will basically tell us the length of that particular string in that cell. Now let's see, equal to len, and now we want to know the length of this A3, James. Close the bracket and press enter. 5. Now we know we have 5 characters here in cell A3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now let's see about the find functions if we want to find a set of characters or a character from a particular cell. Like say I want to find the position of E in Miller. Now we can type equal and find function, press tab, and now here we will type the text or a character we are looking for. Right now I'm looking for E in this cell B3. Now let's type E, close the double quote, comma, and specify the cell where we are looking on, B3. Close the bracket and press enter. Now yes. Now let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here in Miller, E stands in the 5th character. Now let's go for the last function we know, which is substitute. Now if I want to substitute anything in a cell, like let's say here James Miller, I want to substitute this James Miller, this Miller by Bond. Now let's see, equal to substitute function, and we have to specify the cell which is E3. So I want to work this function on E3, comma, I want to substitute this Miller by Bond. Close the bracket and press enter. Now see, James Miller has been substituted by James Bond. So these are the few functions in Excel. Thank you for watching this video.